Here is the braided hose with PTFE fitting assembly. Once you cut your hose, which you should do by wrapping duct tape around the cut point to reduce fraying, and then once cut, remove the duct tape. You want to take a pick of some sort and separate the braid from the PTFE internal tubing, like so. Then you'll apply your ferrule fitting. It is only designed to go one way, and you press it into place like so. So the PTFE tubing is up against the lip on the inside of the brass ferrule, or sometimes called an olive fitting. And then you slide up your connector. I actually taped it down so it didn't slide down into the car with some duct tape here. So that'll slide up in position, like so. And then you slide your other PTFE fitting inside that fitting and thread. Once complete, it'll look like this.